ke sang hore ke mang mathata gagwe a ditšhelete fedileng
o nile lot
ke kry-ile some sort of a buzzary.
Who did it? Ke ntate wa gago or ke wena? Fiwa.
Ba re ntata molao.
Mang? O botse?
just couldn't make sense of it. Wasn't it? Coffee.
Oh, Mara baby, why ora to disturb hanging order ya kamar? Ha ke re wa itse di hempe tsa o di hang on one side of the cupboard.
Ya mratu. Mratu, re tswa fela sonto dance. Okay, pay.
Ha ke lwane baby, I'm just saying. Bona yanong I must sort through all your things before ke fitla ku di aparong tsaka. And then?
Oh, it's it? Kitty Golf Club.
Ke di bona gore ke di golf club. But what are they doing here?
Oh, I just went on a regular to Senja. So like you want to golf course campus money. I jumped in.
You jumped in to golf out of all the sports you could have chosen.
I get the lecture di abapala le tsona. So like I want a little handler re bond there outside of the office.
Okay. Ya no ngari turi dilo tse.
It's it. And I get the money. Second-hand shop di tunyana.
Nyana. Na le budget ne. Well, you know there is something charming about banana babadlalang golf.
Oh, really?
Just don't expect me to be your caddy anytime soon.
You? Never.
Not me.
Wena? Love?
No.
No.
But I mean, it's us tunya, so I'm sure.
Yeah, I suppose.
Dala golf for baby.
Don't born. Yeah, signal stance. Elbow straight.
All right.
Wena?
You're right.
Ke?
Kai. Niko ita mini.
Auna.
Why? Niko tsomba mini.
Oh, Rupanga. Ndingori ndikotodo ya uya kamarani. Hapela ni kadro yanga ya chanda chaula. Ilus. Uyiboni. So ke batlo ilukisa.
Uqale nilungise draw ngokwena. Sap.
How? Okay.
Biwi. Jonga mntanami. Ukhuliswa ndim wena uyazi lonto lena. Yeka nje uba uye wagoduka wayefenda. But ungumntanami. Ngithi wahlala ungumntanami.
Ndiyabulela sis aye.
Yes sis.
Okay, so khumbulo yena.
Khame kancinci sathetha sikagqiba into le. Okay. Ndikohumbela kamanda. Utyiwa yintoni kangaka sis? No, humbela ubotsa utyiwa yintoni kangaka? Okay, awuzondiphendula. I know awukabikho ready ukuniphendula but if ready sis ayukhona nditsho?
Ukhona.
Okay. Andizukunika le mali yevasana sam. La drawer le ilus izawuluswa ngutata wakho ndibona ilibi loose. It's fine.
Asongalukisa.
Oh.
Right.
Okay, right. Okay, Piwi. Mamela sis. Ndiyakucela. Yonke into oyenzayo. Ndicela ungazilimazi mntanami yeva.
Wait.
Eish.
Ayike sibeke la ukudla sidle ndoda. Sibongaze. Celebrate lona ilanga lakhe elikhulu.
Mara Grootman no sa tlhoke go itse so.
Hawu usho kanjani? Yazini mfana izinto ezinjengalezi ukuthi mawuzibuka wanibone ngathi sincane kanti kubalekile ukuthi sizicelebrate. Hawu ubani nje bayacabanga ukuthi uJones ngesikhathi esincane kangaka angabe siyahlanganisile plan lokuthola imali nebazari yakhe.
Hey. Now it's just man ke thabile or at least from no ke focus mo di bookeng tsa ka 100%. And after go ditse tharo, hayi ne ke certificate tsa.
Hawu ningasikhohlwa ke phela. Thina sisazabalaza legacy.
Aw, ke tla lebala bjang go kra ka magwenya.
Awungitsheleke. Kuhamba njani ke ngale ntombazana yakho le social media?
Mangayo, ramugela.
Yena umgane.
Tsimugele man Grootman. Undlalisa black mampatile uyithi.
Usho njani insizwa ngoba mina bengicabanga ukuthi ngalesikhathi uzobe sothumela abakhongi lapha kubo.
Akithi umgelo mpatla man. Uthi last ke methile ka goodbye kiss. Engwe nice, soft. Kana no rumi butla tlhaloganya gore tabaka ke be street. Tolo sa mshapa ka di dark and dive. Awu man.
Hayi lalela ke. Ungasheshi ukulahlela ithawula. Uyazi abantu besifazane ba-operate njani. Ngingathi wena ucabanga ukuthi izinto ziyalunga. Kanti yena ke solethe enye challenge ngoba ufuna uhlezi umlandelela.
Kumlandela ufihlani. Hawa, ya hina ke hodile ke sale light man. Akusana krage ela nantse ke tabogisana le motho.
Hayi, wena Jones akukhulunywa njalo. Tebalekile la umele uyithola ukuthi wena kumele kube nento ozoyenza zokitaza inhliziyo yakhe. Yabona mangathola lokho ke. Hawu, ngowakho. Usho ukuthi kumele wenze izinto ngendlela ehlukile.
Indlela ehlukile. Efing ehlukile.
Yazi kumele wenzeni la. Kumele nawe ke cabange. Into zokwenza ukwenza ukuthi umuntu ohlukile la emphakathini. Yini into ekwenza ukuthi umuntu ohlukile emphakathini? Kubo labantu labanye abafana. Kumele ke sebenzisa ikepeza ndoda. Lana into ebalekile. Ufuna umtshengise ukuthi wena uhluke ngani. Ngokwenza lokho uzobe somhehile. Esabe ngabe ehlangothini lakho.
Eish. Amgele man. Andrwazi.
Oh, Itlaganele, Phil, just give me something, anything.
No, go tell us something, no. I'm just trying to crack down the security walls to the tracker.
And I won't say, cracker down. How long does it take you?
Hey, Uskalibala, Spansena, sit delicate. And Arabaku jumpies, otherwise salamical. And besides, this tracker is really buried beneath deep security walls. And until jump, I change analysis save.
Just as long as you tell me that you've cracked it and you've got news for me, I'll be happy.
On it.
5 seconds is all I need. Just 5 seconds of
something. Whoop. Think we got it? This is why they don't call me the IT technician for no reason.
Yeah, okay. What did you get? Let's what it's in.
How Sheba Mona, data in every once hore Transia Jobe in Zula Zulele Yapina around the Power Park substation. And Daba in Haifulimo, the very same vehicle was flagged for suspicious activity as well.
Wait, so is this the exact same day that
social media rapist was killed?
You don't say.
Yep.
But I want to hear it all. How are you going to talk your way out of this one?
Konini ukokotha ngiyana? Mshalifa. Bibi.
Hey. I thought that I should just get like a for check for shop.
Maka. MJ, Maka. She sent you here to come spy on me. I get.
No, Rafi, look, you went ghost mode on me, so I said, let me check on you. Next time it's a shop now, so.
Get to that. Don't need to later. I can't listen to it. Hey, Elizabeth Sakafa, you want to trick me again like you did the last time? It's not going to work this time. Secondly, Bold.
Okay, Rofi, hold on. Are you talking about my sister? No, Mamela, like, nobody sent me, okay? If she did send me, which she didn't, it's only because she knows you. For
She
real.
asked me. MJ, how she will want to slow nyana ne? I know what you're doing. I can relate to you're plotting against me. And ask Pierre Wampatla. Wampatla na leng thoba tlo yetsang.
Wait. Okay, no, let's... I'm confused, I know, so let's just...
Okay, ke a confuse. Go put my. If you go confuse.
Okay. Rofi, Mamela, look, and I wanted to pull up and, Nikere, just lift your mood, You know those podcasts that you like? Yeah, I said...
Okay, interesting. Do the podcast, how?
Okay. Sharp, no, kya bona hore. Yeah, you chasing for real, like Wagoa. It's understandable, So maybe you're not comfortable chopping it up with me or anybody. I understand. Maybe we can sit in silence. We don't have to talk. Babo. Hey, maybe Nka streamer SABC.
Oh my God! No, okay, no SABC, no nothing. Okay, ndikhomba lo thoma na lo phetsa. Kumbri nivenga mnango nituwe. Meaning kuputso ka limatu tsamaye.
Hey, Rofi, Mamela.
Oh, okay, wa ke puta tsamaya nna. Yeah.
If you need me, you know where to find me.
All right?
Yeah.
Uyathanda ukuthetisa.
No, what's this?
Not in a bed, boy, but we must. Not now, okay? Umamela xa kuthethwa na.
Noba yini le ngxaki enzakaleyo sizoyilungisa.
Uyalazi ufifi osifakele lona kulamzi wam. Uyalazi ufifi osifakele lona xa sivula sibhokisi sifuna ukuthi
Ngiceda gotsho ukuthi sizoyilungisa.
lona ushazo sibekele lona kubantu. Isiqalekiso sifake emzini wam ngokusilethela isidumbu esingesiso.
Ngicela ukubuza sisho ukuthi ngempela ukuthi le
Ungakulinga uzozenza tsolo ngami wena. Ndiyakwazi ukuziphambanela mina ndiva. Ungakulinga undiphambanise mina. Asizelanga amaxolo chini bethu nani. Asizelanga amaxolo apha uyadiva. Into esizele zimpendulo. Qhaqwaba. Chini.
iphi manager? Uthi manager. Manager. Nang.
Dumelang, ngicela thusi.
Nguwe imanager lapha.
Yebo.
Yami. Ngicela thusi.
Ndikujongile nje. Awuna skills man sokubamba le ndawo. Yilonto isidumbu zethu kufika isidumbu ezirongo esipink esimnyama esiwhite ngoba kaloku wena uyazi into yenza yapha.
Oh. Siyaxolisa me. Ntate kuba le mphe monyetla wa lokisa taba ena kaofela.
Imake ntombazana.
Yebo.
Ngubani ozawubhatala aphinda hlambe lo mzi wami emva kwayo yonke le ngqubaxaka eniyenzileyo?
Dololo. Cwaka zaphucima izibane.
Me le ntate Khret buam. Ke ba fela le mpheng motsotsonyana fela ke bona hore ho etsa etseng ke gone le sota out le thole stopo sa lona.
Ntombazana, uyayibona le fishi oyithethayo apha sizelanga yona uyadiva? Yebo tata. Dala manje ndakuxelela ngale ndawo. Ndakuxelela ukuthi andiyifuni le ndawo. Ndakuxelela emva kokuba kungcwatywa ikhansela. Wena wathini? Hayi masiye nkosikazi. Kunjani xa kunje namhlanje? Nguwe kwakho ongafuni ukuthi ngibambise ezizibhanqa ngoba bayazi into abayenzayo. Asambe tata.
Mama, ba le skeletsa jwale kuba. Ke tla lokisa ntate Khret buam kuba ntme.
Yo. Ulikile. Ra ba bona ba yamba. Ba batla ka kagiso ba tlile ka ntwa fela.
Ay. Abuti. I wa sharp short Ay, wa bona ke bua ka swing. Ke bua ka ntwetse. Ka tla ke bana wena. Number fela ke le student ke khahlwe ke the master.
Oh. It's a student.
Yes.
Okusabala ukuthi kulungile ngizokukhombisa mina ukuthi ngubani.
Come sa ka se chales.
Little glove.
Okay.
Obvious ka tseleo. Wa tseba ba khotsi ba ka ba sa ba qadile ho bapala golf. Jwale ne ke nana go le nna mohlomong ha nka sebetsa ka thata ke tla kgona ba impress.
Ihlupha lapho ke. Umdlalo egalofu awutatazeli. Ya uba patient. Wazi ukwenza izinto yakho kahle.
Okay. Iri kubonze.
Yeah.
Jonga mntanami. Ukholiswa ndim wena uyazi laa nto leyo ne? Yeka nje uba uye wagoduka wayevenda. But ungumntanam. Ngithi wahlala ungumntanam. Ndiyakucela kuyo yonke into oyenzayo. Ndicela ungazilimazi mntanam yeva.
Ngiyazi ukuthi uyiphoyisa futhi singamakhelwane kodwa ngizokucela ukuthi singaphuzani inyongo.
Re tlhoka go bua.
Umthetho wakho uthanda izinto zenze ngendlela yakho.
Alone.
Angena umuntu othanda ukulawulwa mina.
Mina khana nna ke tlile mo dlala di game le wena job.
Kuhleke makunjani? Phuma. Keep it matter.
Se ke ka garufiwa.
Ngane kwaneni uzongixoxela yona namhla ndodakazi.
Okay. Mira khona go ke yang teng ntse re bua nnete job. Nnete yotlhe.
Oh, simplificar.
Fully tricky, fully wild, fully awkward. Ferrari. Arre, ke le kopo ke tlo ilokisa trainer. Ka bo bona sefatlhego sa gagwe back at ranch ha itse lo re bua le di-client tse feng clueless for days. Yeah, not like guy. Oh, you.
Prince. A se ikutlwa go ntse re. Ke batla go itse gore o paper ya ope kgotsa glue kgotsa benzene.
Ante ba rata se ke se dirile.
Ga sena tlhaloganyo ga wa kanye man.
Oh, ha wa ta idea teng. Anyway, ke idea ga Jones.
Bothata ke bone bo. Ke bua le wena ha wa taboga o ya go bua le bo Jones o tsaya di-idea tsa bo Jones. Bona jaaka o dirile matlakala gone yana. O rapele my boy. Wa bona family e o tle gore bare ba tlo sua mafelo business o tlo go dira yang ga ba ka tswela pele ka trade gone yaanong o caused a business financial mess at its best
a ke sa itse gore mpatlang
ga ke go batle sepe ke rile mo gone kare o tlhakatlhakanye naledi se o tlhakatlhakanye business
ke dirile hela yalo o bonkomanya yaanong ke fetsa go dira e wa nkomanya gape
Kwenze njani? Khuluma.
o itse sendlala gore o dirileng ga kere
Hey. Bazi uzongiphazamisa ungishela isikhathi. Khuluma kwenze njani?
kolo ya gago ne le ko Power Park the day social media rapist abolawa
Manje
manje
habe kwindawo yomphakathi le. Noma mhlambe mina kufanele ngibhake lapha.
okay ke yona game yo batlang go idlala yo ka go ganela everything
Awukhulume angikuzi uthi yabo kahle hle ngikhathela manje.
uska wa khatala I'm only just getting started Nile careless job you threw your daughter under the bus Pila umona untsenya